explaining first method of finding mean of class 10th mathematics statistics average by direct method. So we explained previous video the formula to find the mean is equal to summation of fx upon summation of f. Means f, there is a number of car if given. We want the column for x, so we can find fx. X means class mark 10 plus 12 upon 2 11, 12 plus 14 upon 2 13. I hope you can add and divide by 2 and get the class mark. No size. Here class size is only 2. 12 minus 10, 2. Number of calls in your book in the question is given number of class. Class is not that. Class is not giving the mileage. There's a misprint, there's a car. So sigma f, Sam plus 12, 29, 29 plus 8, 37 plus 10, 47 plus 3, 7 plus 12, 19 plus 8, 27 plus 10, 37 plus 3, 40 plus 10, 50. Fx, f and 2x, 77, 12 into 13. So 156, 12, 36, 80 into 15, 180 plus 9, 270, 30 into 17, 221. Check the multiplication. 76, 156, 170. Because why take say check the multiplication? In this chapter, calculation is very strong, and if silly mistake you've done, so table is wrong, value wrong, answer wrong, whole cut. So be sensitive and be careful for the multiplication and finding the data of the table required for the particular question. That is question number 3. Then add 7, 6, 13 plus 1, 14, 4, carry 1, 2, 3, 10, 10, 5, 15, 702 का 2 का 2, 4, 6, 7, 724. If I add correctly, so we get answer 724. Then putting the value 724 by 50. 10. Simplify them. 5 10 is 50. 5 1 is 5. 5 4 is 20. 5 8 is 5 4 20. 5 8 is 40. Then 10 divide, decimal 1 place shift, 14.48 kilometer per liter is given the unit. 14.48 kilometer per liter is the mileage of the car. Yeah, mileage and the manufacturer claim. This is the 16 rupees, 16 kilometer per liter. So are you say the manufacturer is right? No. Manufacturer claim is not true. You also say value based question. What shown this by the customer? It's a very good and very jagruk customer awakened, and which have to check the mileage of the cars and then prove that manufacturer is wrong, so it can be corrected. No, my car manufacturer car are not giving the 16 km per liter. It's giving only 14.4 km per liter average mileage. Okay, pause and note down. You read the question? No. You see the question. In statistics, you see the question. You have to see the data. It's given. We want to find the value of P. This is the missing frequency when me is given. So these types of question we always solve by that method. Don't be very smart, sir. We want to use assume method, statistics method. No. That's over steps. So we want to solve by that method. F is given, X is given. X 0 plus 10 upon 2, 10 plus 20 upon 2, 25, 35, 45. I know. I'm not Hata. This is finding 10 plus 20 upon 2. Okay. If you solve it, you can also try it and first steps. Then डायरेक्ट मेथड फॉर्मूला मुझे तो नहीं याद है, आपको याद होगा आई थिंक. मीन इज इक्वल टू, अरे लो भूल दिया, लो खुश एफ एक्स अपॉन एफ, यही फॉर्मूला होता है ना. मीन गिवन 25, समेशन ऑफ एफ गिवन, नॉट गिवन. एड 5 plus 18 23 plus 15, 23 plus 15, 33, 38. 38 plus P, plus 4, 44. 44 P. No. 44 plus P. Because variable is not added with the constant. So only 44 is the sum of this, and again plus P, because you want the sum of all frequency. 44 plus P. Then you find summation of Fx. So Fx. Complete the table. Pack it. कोई भाग नहीं सकता. 25, 15, 18 जा 270. 15 25 जा 25 5 जा 125, 375. I don't know. 35 P in 35 P. 645 जा 270. Only add tick took. No. This sigma of Fx. So plus 35P separate variable term. Add this सब कर देना. कितना आएगा? 270 540. 25 ऐसे लिखना है, ऐसे कि 540 नहीं, मैं 5 5 10 का 10, 0 कैरी 1, 7 3 10, 10 7 17, 17 और 7, 24 का 4 कैरी 2, 2 2 4, 4 3 7, 7 2 9, 940 plus 35P. Put it. Any problem in this step? First you see all this. I hope so you have see this. Then solve it by one, cross multiply. Then the simple equation solving. Cross multiply. This multiply by this, so only one, so no change. This 25 4 is 100, 0 carry 10, 24 is 100 plus 10, 110 plus 25p, 35p minus 25p, so 160, sorry, p. P is equal to 16. Check your answer. Yeah, question answer is right. The value of P for this data is 16. I hope you understand. My main motive is explain the direct method for this question when variable missing or anything missing. This is an easy method to find the missing variables. Okay, pause video, note down.